I'm Jackson Lindsay, and I'm the owner of SERVPRO of Charlottesville. We're here today to highlight some of the practices recommended by the CDC to allow businesses to reopen in this time of COVID-19. Most people are familiar with high-touch surfaces such as light switches, doorknobs, and computer keyboards. What others might not be familiar with as far as high-touch surfaces go are sink handles, soap dispensers, and toilet hardware. Some of those pieces of equipment are things that may be forgotten and not sanitized, even though they are high-touch surfaces.
Hey guys, I'm Ryan Mitchell. I'm here with SERVPRO of Charlottesville as well. I'm here to talk a little bit about the donning and doffing of your PPE. The two most common pieces of PPE are your mask and your gloves. As far as the mask goes, for taking it off, the best solution is to pinch at the nose, pull away from you, grab the straps, and then to go over your head and over your head again with both straps. As far as the gloves, it's very simple as well. You're gonna have both gloves on. You're gonna pinch the middle of one glove, ball it up in the other hand, and then grab the other glove and have it inside the last glove. So it's sweaty, but it's clean. As far as mixing, you have the right ratio, so don't mix too much or too little of the product. Make sure it's the right amount. There is a 2-bucket method. That's very simple. You have 2 open buckets. One's gonna have the product in it, and one's gonna be ready for empty rags. Do not double dip the rags, because that just dilutes your product, and it's no longer really any good. As far as the cleaning procedure goes, there is really kind of 2 steps to it. There's a fogging method. All that is these different machines we have, and they're gonna fog into the entire building. The benefit of that is it really gets all the nooks and crannies that aren't necessarily really touched. So it's good to get those cleaned as well. Lastly is the actual wiping method. So those 2 buckets, you're gonna have the one bucket that has the product. You're gonna take the rag out, wring it out very well, and you're gonna wipe all the surfaces. Make sure you're, as far as phones go, you lift the phone, you're wiping both sides, not just doing a basic surface.
Please keep in mind any products used to clean for COVID-19 should be approved by the CDC. Please also keep in mind any hand sanitizers used should contain at least 70% alcohol.